Using the word by. The word by is very common in English. It is generally a preposition, but it can also be used as an adverb. Let's look at some ways to use the word by, along with some sample sentences. By and completion. By can be used to state a deadline or finish. Please turn in your homework by 9 a.m. tomorrow. You need to finish your report by close of business today. They need to finish by 3 p.m. The cat will be fully grown by March. By and creation. By can be used to identify who created something. The song was by the Black Eyed Peas. The book was by Edgar Allan Poe. The character was played by Keanu Reeves. The bag was designed by Coco Chanel. By and location. By can be used to state a location. It is similar to near, next to, or beside. The store was by the road. The boy was sitting by the girl. Our house is by the lake. The salt is in the cupboard by the pepper. By and payment. By can be used to indicate payment methods like credit card or check. We paid the bill by credit card. Can I pay by check? By and transportation. By can be used to describe how you travel somewhere. We use the word by in front of a mode of transportation or vehicle name. By car, by bus, by train, by plane, by ferry, by motorcycle, by jet ski, by taxi, by subway. I go to school by bus. We traveled to America by plane. I went to the park by bicycle. The family crossed the river by boat. By and communication. By can be used to indicate how a message was received or delivered. By mail, by phone, by email, by fax. I spoke to him by phone. We received this letter by U.S. mail. He sent his resume by email. The draft was sent by fax. By and passive voice. By can indicate who is performing the action. The festival was organized by Matthew. This show is brought to you by our sponsor. The room is being painted by Ben. By and reflexive pronoun. By in this instance means doing something alone. By myself, by yourself, by herself, by himself, by itself, by ourselves, by themselves, by yourselves. I enjoy fishing by myself. She washed the clothes by herself. We traveled across the United States by ourselves. They went to the theater by themselves. By and ing, or verbing. By can tell us how to do something. You can learn how to assemble the table by reading the instructions. The boy turned on the TV by pressing the button. She lost weight by training hard every day. They got home quickly by not straying from the path. By is generally a preposition. It can be used in many different ways. If you have any other questions about using the word by, then please ask us in the comments section for this video. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell now. Please like, share, and comment on this video. See you in the next video.